from our home to yours.
Oh,
So, hello, good morning. It is Saturday morning. Saturday, 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 Saturday. Shouldn't do too much singing because I get a copyright claim. Well, that was a quick change of everything. I need to get ready still. I've got a bit more dressed, but I need to put my makeup on because I look a bit ill, look very pale. So yeah, it's Saturday. We are going to just have a sort of a chilled family day today. We're going to go for a walk in a park, living our best lives. Ellis is upset at the minute because he wanted to go upstairs and we didn't want him to go upstairs. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then yeah, we're going to go for a walk, and then me and Sean are going to have the great task today of tidying up our cleaning cupboard, because at the minute we have a cupboard upstairs which is just filled with cleaning products that we've forgotten we've got, loads of picture frames that we've just sort of put out with the intention of putting pictures in them but haven't, and all sorts of stuff in there. We need to go through it and sort it out. So that's going to be the fun task for the day, and I thought because it's such an interesting task, I'll bring you along. Aren't you lucky? But first of all, we need to get this little guy dressed. Well, we're just about to go out. What you don't know about me is that I have a heart condition called SVT, which isn't a dangerous condition. It's nothing worrying. But it just means that my heart beats very, very quickly, randomly, and that's just happened now. The best way I can describe it would be if you just sprinted for the bus and you ran as fast as you possibly could, and then you're on the bus and you're panting and you're out of breath and your heart is beating in your chest really, really quickly. That's what I have, apart from I'm not out of breath, so my heart is going very, very quickly at the minute. So basically it means can't really do anything, because if I get up and walk about, my heart just can't keep up with the added exercise on top of the unnecessary beating quickly. So now I've got to wait it out. Sometimes it can last 15 minutes, sometimes it can last a couple of hours. I'm hoping it stops soon, otherwise Sean's gonna have to take Ellis out by himself. So, it has stopped. It is 11 o'clock. We're meant to be going out 10:30, que sera. But my heart has just stopped beating. I say stopped beating. It's beating really fast. So we're going to head out now. Sean was just putting Ellis in the car and realised Ellis had done a poo. Speaking of, I haven't got any changing stuff in the bag.
Oh.
No wipes, no nappies, nothing. That goes to show how long it's been since we've been out as a family. For more than 20 minutes. That's a relief. Maybe Ellis's poo and my heart thing were a blessing in disguise. Anyway, I'm now going to make a coffee because now my heart stops. I feel like I can have one. Just the thing. I've been to the doctors numerous times about this. Obviously, I've had a healthy pregnancy with no issues at all. The doctors weren't too fussed. I had a few extra scans and stuff on my heart when I was pregnant to make sure all was okay. And like I said, there were no issues when I had. There were no issues when I had Ellis. What do you see? The doctors were all completely fine with it, and there is treatment I can have, but because I don't have episodes very often, they're not too bothered by my issue. So basically, I just got to live with it. A benefit to it though, which I have sort of invented myself, but I'm almost certain it's a true benefit, is that obviously when you work out, isn't it when you're working out, the blood going around your body is like burning fat? I don't know the answers. I think that's what happens. That's why you need your heart rate to be up, because that helps lose weight. So, I'm not saying I need to lose weight, but I always think that my heart beating that quickly is essentially giving me a half-an-hour workout without any effort. So my muscles aren't getting any working out, but surely it's a bit of like a workout. That's my positive spin on my heart condition.
Hello, we're back, and I look like a scarecrow.
we're a bit late with everything, but we're having dinner now. We're having a sort of fry up, a healthy one. So we've got mushrooms, we have, this isn't bacon. We're gonna have this and probably watch some Grey's Anatomy. And we're gonna sort the cupboard out.
I'm not hungry now, I've eaten my body weight in biscuits. Went to Tesco's after we went to the park and just picked up some bits, and I bought 3 packets of these. Right, I need to get out of my jeans, I can't bear it anymore. Every time she finds a minute, that's the time that they begin it. Cinderella, Cinderella, Cinderella.
It's very true.
I would die on the spot.
We're currently watching Grey's Anatomy. Hi.
Hi legs 11.
Hi legs 11. We're currently watching Grey's Anatomy, and
Yeah.
this is an episode that is predominantly about hearts and heart operations, and Caroline is having a bit of a freak out.
Well, I mean, obviously the thing the patient has on Grey's Anatomy is a lot more serious and involves a heart transplant. I do not need a heart transplant, thank goodness. But the surgery that is out there for the thing I had this morning, my SVT syndrome. Is it called syndrome? I don't know what it's called.
Disease.
Not disease. The treatment would be, it's called something ablation. It's basically a thing where they put, like, they burn away a part of the heart that stops the irregular heart rhythm thing. To burn the thing away, they have to put like a little, it basically goes through a main, it can't be an artery because you'd bleed to death.
That's why they seal them off.
It goes from your hip or your inner thigh up to your heart because it's a straight route. And I just think, every time I think about it, I just think I can't imagine some creepy person putting a camera up a vein. What if they bash the sides? Would I feel it?
Probably. And it's all, what it is like one of those, it's like a old-fashioned car cigarette lighter on the end of a long stick.
It's not. Oh, my whole body aches, thought of it. Okay, so we have well and truly procrastinated enough, and Ellis probably needs to wake up very soon because it's getting on a bit. This is the cupboard in question. Prepare yourself for an absolute mess. This. Oh, look at this mess. This is pretty much my Monica cupboard. That is just a disaster. And we have loads of cleaning stuff downstairs. They probably need to be brought up. I don't even know how we're going to organise this. So many frames. And I don't know why we have so many or what we're going to do with them all. And then we've got a box there, which is like a box of things that is like a newborn Ellis memory box from when we came home from hospital. We have all his cards in it and all, you know, his like wristband and stuff from hospital. We have a wedding box here with all our wedding bits in it. We just have tons of stuff in this cupboard and we just don't know what to do with any of it. Empty cardboard boxes because you never know when you might need a cardboard box. Does anyone fancy cleaning this cupboard for me? I don't wanna. Hello. Time to wake up. So much stuff. Look at all this crop.
All of this crop.
And then by the windows now. All these frames. Look at that the top one I got from Primark ages ago. We just haven't been able to find prints that fit.
Me, engaged, married.
Me, met.
Oh, met. I couldn't see the T. Me, engaged.
Engaged and married. And then Ella's playing with my phone. Hope he's not calling the police.
No, he's fine. He's just chilling.
Got his books out. Do you want to play with the train set?
Ooh.
Do you play with the train set? He's got a dummy in still because he is tired. Choo choo. Well, that's not quite how it works. Look! Oh. Wow, Ellis, look! Wow! Wow! Found this jazzy light bulb in the cupboard. Wow! Cupboard is neater, but it's still got all this stuff here to put away. We're thinking about actually getting some pictures up on the walls because our walls are naked And we have a million frames and we've just never got around to putting pictures up, so we probably should do. The Ellis has caused a mess. That's all his destruction there. He's kind of trying to put a square in the number 3. No! Do you want help? This one. There's a yellow square. Sean's having more fun than Ellis.
Wow.
Ellis is ready for his dinner in his booster chair. I got this on Facebook Marketplace for free. And it's an OXO one. Brand new. It's like 100 quid. Absolute bargain. Oh, Ellis is going to have some coffee.
Dinner is...
Beans on toast. Sorry mate, it's a bit boring. Ellis, what do you want now? You want more beans?
Yeah.
Or do you want some yogurt?
Yeah.
Ooh, blueberries. Oh, gouge your eyes out. Ellis, where's Daddy's nose? Where's Daddy's nose? Yeah!
That's my mouth.
Just giving Ellis a bath. Sean's currently reading him a book. Then I'll go upstairs, say goodnight to Ellis, and then I think either me or Sean will put Ellis to sleep. It depends on Ellis's mood. So usually we would have dinner with Ellis, but obviously we didn't this evening. We had a big, obviously you would have seen, we had that big dinner earlier, which was essentially vegan bacon, fried mushrooms, baked beans, some toast, and anything else? I think that might have been it. It was a smaller fried breakfast. So we gave Ellis beans on toast, which isn't our usual dinner. We usually do something a bit more nutritious. But we completely lost track of time, tidying that cupboard upstairs, and realistically, he ate it all fine, and he has some frozen mango, defrosted frozen mango as well. So it's a bit more nutritious than just beans on toast. And then we're just gonna sort out our picture frames. What a wild life we live. Speaking of, question, I got this wrapping paper as a gift, not this as a gift, this was covering a gift, I believe at Christmas time, maybe even my birthday in September, I don't know. But this is a wrapping paper that I really like. As you can see, it's glittery, and I've been keeping it just because I was like, can I frame it? And so because we have so many frames, I'm like, maybe I'll frame the wrapping paper. But don't that's a bit weird, just to have, I feel like there should be something on it, so it's not just framed wrapping paper. But I really like it. And so now we've got all the frames out and we're gonna look at framing some pictures. I'm like, maybe I'll frame my wrapping paper. And also, completely different, changing the subject completely. How often do you sterilise your bath toys? I've just sterilised Ellis's now. I've just left them to soak in the bath. I haven't done it in about a month? No, maybe a month. Is that not enough? Should I be sterilising them more? Obviously he doesn't poop in the bath, thank God. Well, he hasn't pooped in the bath. If he did poop in the bath, I'd obviously sterilise them. But he hasn't pooped in the bath. And obviously he probably is weeing in it. Not that I would know, he doesn't make a song and a dance about it. But do I need to sterilise them more often? Should I be doing it on a weekly basis? How often do you sterilise your bath toys? Help.
How you doing, Cameron?
I feel really uneasy.
What's that?
This is the hardest part of Grey's Anatomy I've ever had to watch.
So earlier
Too much.
on it was about your heart.
Yeah.
And now it's about
Catheters.
putting something up your pee hole.
Literally. Oh, I hate catheters. It's my least favourite thing about the world.
What catheters?
Who invented them? Why do they exist? Who invented the catheter? And why are they so disgusting?
It helps you.
Oh, I hate them. They don't even hurt, especially when you have a cesarean because you can't even feel it. But I despise the idea of a catheter. People walk around with catheters. Oh,
imagine it get caught on a door handle.
It just comes right out. I can't bear them. Oh, they feel sick.
I don't think we need to use any more footage from today. This is enough for a vlog.
That's how I feel. Oh, I can't cope. There's our pile of frames. There's my wrapping paper I spoke about earlier. And we're not doing anything with it.
We have to go upstairs, right? We had these big old plans. Basically, we got them out of the room. That's the first step.
Yeah.
Now we need to sit in front of a computer, figure out what pictures we need to print, and then I need to resize them to fit these frames. Because although IKEA frames are good, they're odd shapes.
Like your hair.
Like my hair.
So yeah, we're not doing the frames, and the cupboard upstairs is mostly tidy. It just needs to be sorted out the frames, and that's about it really. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm starting to look more and more dishevelled as each Grey's Anatomy episode goes on, because the catheter thing creeped me out, and then what was the heart thing creeped me out. What's it going to be next? Oh, who knows?
Someone's kneecap.
Yeah, kneecap replacement. I was just thinking
up in the shoulder.
Kneecap replacement or something. So yeah, that's the end of today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching if you've got this far. And we will see you in the next one. Thanks you for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye.